What's up? Danny High Soccer with Coleman Inc. helping people do their business better. And finally, the Jabra Evolve2 85 has arrived. So let's do a quick unboxing, and then I'm gonna plug it in, charge it up, do the firmware updates, and then we'll get right into testing. All right, so let's get into the box. All right, so here it is. Right, so the Evolve 285 active noise canceling speakers, right? There's a lot of questions about ANC mics. It's ANC speakers, right? So the speakers, ANC is what helps you, the wearer of the headset, block out or drown out background noise that's going on around you. All right, NC or noise canceling mic is what's typically the technology that's built into the microphone to help suppress or block out the noise from people hearing your conversation, right? So they'll hear your voice, but not necessarily the things going on around you, or it's muffled or suppressed. But anyway, let's unbox this sucker. So it's got like 10 microphones, up to 37 hours of battery life, 40mm speakers for immersive music, a busy light visible from all angles, and again, it's certified for Microsoft Teams. I don't know if this one is, but I know that they are. So anyway, so let's take a look. All right, so here's the actual case that the headset comes in, and it's a nice hard case. All right, and then here's the box, and you see that it kind of shows you volume up, down, next track, play, pause music, volume down, restart. It does support 3.5mm jack, USB-C charge port, so you can lift the boom arm up or down. I know that's a question that some folks have submitted. It's a strong factor in their decision making whether or not they can mute the headset by flipping the mic up. In this case, you can. All right, so let's take a look at this guy. I've been waiting for so long. There it is, and I do have the Microsoft Teams version. So you see there the Microsoft Teams button. You have this 3.5mm cable. You get USB-A to USB-C cable here, and you also get this little, it's for planes if anybody's traveling. So here is the dongle, right? So it's in this little guy. Oh, look at this little guy. So I have the USB-C, so it's in the case. There's this little compartment. I don't want to flip anybody off. There's this little compartment right in here, this little guy right there, and this is the USB-C dongle. So if you look at it, look at this little tiny guy. That is a little, look at that little thing. Compared to the USB-A dongle. But here is the actual headset, right? There it is. All right, so if you look at it, I put this guy on. Number one, it's much lighter than it looks, right? So if you look at it, it looks like a pretty robust headset, but by putting it on, it's actually super light. And again, here's the microphone. Whoo, look at that, pops right out. Now this is going to be interesting to see because look at it, doesn't, oh yeah, it does twist. All right, so the mic goes up, pops out, and then you can twist it towards your mouth. So this is going to be, again, really interesting to test the microphone of this headset. Again, you're probably more interested in how well this thing actually sounds, but we'll get this thing going and then we'll just do some tests. Let you guys hear how well this thing sounds. You know, we've all been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this, so let's do this. All right, so I'm back. And so we charged up the headset. It's at 97% charge. I know that because you can actually download the Jabra Sound Plus app and it will pair to your Evolve 285, but we also have Jabra Direct software, and we were able to plug it in, update the firmware on not only the Jabra Link 380 USB-C, but also the Evolve 285 headset. And so what Justin's going to do is going to show you some of the available settings and features through Sound Plus app, along with the settings and features via Jabra Direct software. That's absolutely free, and again, we'll put a link in the description box below. But one of the things that kind of caught my eye was this feature here. It's called Enable the Ear Cup Microphone for Calls. So I looked into that. You can hover over and it tells you, it gives you a description of what that feature does. This enables you to have the boom arm up while on a call.
When the boom arm is up and the headset muted, pressing the mute button will unmute the microphones built into the ear cups. When the headset is used in this mode, the boom arm mics do not contribute to noise cancellation, so more ambient noise may be heard on the other end of call. Note, this setting does not comply with Microsoft certification for premium microphone for OpenOffice. So, with the boom arm down, it complies with Microsoft Teams certification for OpenOffice. With the boom arm up, it does not. That's what that's telling you. All right, so now let's get into the actual testing. So I'm not even like screwing around anymore. I'm just going to go right to volume 80. We all know that microphones at the 20, 30, 40, even 50 volume range work pretty well. But it's this volume right here. This is super loud. So there you go there. So I'm going to go ahead now and record the background noise that's going on in here so you can kind of hear it, test it, right? So test, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the Jabra Evolve 285. The volume on my TV is at an 81 right now. You saw the decibel reading. You saw the, it's loud, right? So it's super loud, but this is one of the tests that we do. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna just turn that off. That's super loud. I couldn't even hear myself because my ANC was off. So I'm turning it on because I could clearly hear the TV. All right, so now there is a noticeable difference uh, from what I hear. Okay, so it was super loud before. So there's the ANC button right there. You press that guy. So I turned it off. Oh yeah, there's a huge difference in terms of the what you can hear. All right, so another thing that you guys want to hear is typing. So I'm gonna go ahead and type. Let me go over here. Typing, keyboard, typing. Anyway, so, all right, so I'm back. I forgot to do this quick test. So yes, I went ahead and went into Jabra Direct and I enabled the microphone or the microphones in the ear cups. So I went ahead and flipped the mic up. So test 1 2, test 1 2. Let's turn on that TV. All right, so now I'm using the microphones that are built into the ear cups versus the boom mic. Test 1 2, test 1 2. All right, just wanted to do that quick test with the boom arm up. This is the Jabra Evolve 2 85. You guys have been asking for this. Finally got it. Another cool thing that I want to throw out there is that we have some other competitive products that you guys have been wanting to see in terms of a comparison video. So I went ahead and ordered those. They're on their way. Hopefully they're here Friday. We already have one of them in house, but hopefully the rest will arrive on Friday. And then we're going to do a comparison video with the Evolve 85 and then other ANC headsets. I hope you like this type of video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.